Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to show you how to add custom icons in Geometry Dash. Now this is going to be a short tutorial. I'm sorry the last one was pretty long, but I'm trying my best. So enough yapping, let's go. Alright, so the first step is to install a mod for Geometry Dash called Geode. And you might be wondering that the new update completely broke Geode, but don't worry, I'll tell you how to fix that. So, what you gotta do is you need to downgrade, okay? There's not a fix that lets you put Geode in the new update. So, what I'm gonna do is open up Steam, okay? And you wanna go to the console. Okay, so now what you need to do is we're going to download the other version of Geometry Dash that allows Geode. So, go open up a website, type steamdb.info, and then you want to search up Geometry Dash. Click on it. Now copy this. Wait, don't paste it in. Type download depot. Okay, and then you want to paste it. Paste this. I'll put a space and paste this. Now go back to SteamDB. Go to packages. Actually, go to depots. Sorry, my bad. Go there. Copy the depot ID again. And space. Paste it in. Now, you want to go to manifests. And then, you want to go for the update on the 12th of November in 2024. Okay? So, this is 2.2074. The update that supports Geode. Copy it. And then, it's going to be a bit confusing. You paste it. And then you're gonna see this. So what you gotta do is delete everything except this. And then you wanna put a space. Now, what you wanna do is you're gonna enter the command. And it's gonna start downloading the old version of Geometry Dash. It's gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna speed it up. Now, as you can see, it has finally downloaded. So now what you need to do is you're gonna go to this specific folder that it gave you. You're gonna put Control C to copy it, and then you want to put it there. And this is the older version of Geometry Dash. So you double click it, and if it doesn't launch, don't worry, we're gonna fix that. Like, do not worry, like, actually. So what we're gonna do is we are going to go into installing Geode. You go down and press GitHub release pages. Then this will depend on your operating system. So I'm on Windows, so press win.exe for the Geode. And then what you're gonna do is install Geode. Now don't skip this step. There's an important step. If you get this, don't worry. It's from an unknown oh my god, what was that? It's from an unknown publisher. So Windows thinks it's a virus, but it's not. I'm literally gonna prove it right now. Run anyway. And there we go, it's not a virus. Okay, so install it, do the stuff as usual, and then this. What you gotta do is delete this, and then go to the older version you downloaded. You copy the path, and you paste it in, and then you press install. It's gonna install. Also, it's gonna ask you for administrator privileges. If you want, you can either decline or accept that. Just press it. For you, it's gonna say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? But for me, it's black because the recording software, it's not working properly. So just say yes or no, whatever you want, and then finish it. So now you have downloaded Geode, or if I refresh it, there you go, you have downloaded Geode, and it will work. As you can see, my geometry dash is working correctly, and I have my Geode there. So next, what you need to do is you're gonna go to download, and then what you're gonna write is write more icons. This is a mod, so you want to install the mod, and then you want to restart. Once it has restarted, what you need to do is you're gonna go to the icons, and as you can see, you can now customize your icon. Now this isn't over. There's still stuff that I need to tell you. So here's the thing. You cannot specifically import a PNG into Geometry Dash. You need to have specific folders. So you need to have specific folders from a custom icon in a texture pack. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to download a texture pack, and then we're gonna import the files into the custom icon. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to download a texture pack. This can be from anywhere, a texture pack with the icon you have. So what I'm gonna do is, hold up 1 second. Okay, so now I have downloaded my texture pack, and this is where it gets, pretty, this is where you're going to be able to import the icon. So in the texture pack, select icons, and then what you're gonna do is you are going to select the PNG of the icon that you want to import. Okay, so I'm gonna double click this to make sure it's the right one, and it is the right one. Don't worry if it's not all stacked together in one, that's just something. So close out of that. And not only do you need to have the PNG, you also need to have the plist. The plist is also important. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy these two and paste them. So now they're here. Next, what you're gonna do is shout out to GD Colon for making this website. It's the best website. You're gonna go to GD Splitter. So this is GD Splitter, and so basically this website is so that the icon size is good and that it's not glitched. If you want bigger icon sizes, you can always just get a mod, but this time we're not trying to make the icon size bigger. We want it to stay the same. So you gotta import it, import the two things, and then don't click on any of those. I mean, you can click on it, but what we want to focus on is download all. Now it has downloaded. So what we're gonna do now is you want to go to your downloads, and you want to show more options, and you want to extract it. Once we have extracted it, you double click it. So now we have all the stuff we need. Well, not the stuff, but you get the point. So now, this is the most important part. You want to go to, you want to select those that you copied, the player PNG and the icon. You want to right click it. Oh, wait, you want to right click both of these. and you want to press copy, and then you want to paste it in there. So now that you have pasted it in there, what we're going to do is, this is the final step. We're going to paste the icon into Geometry Dash. So what you want to do is load up Geometry Dash. And now that Geometry Dash has loaded, you are going to go to your icons. You want to select the more icons, and then on the icons, press add. Wait, no. On the icons, press the folder. So now that you have the folder, you're going to go back to the files you downloaded, and then you want to select all of those. You press Control C to copy it, and then on this folder you press Control V to paste it. Now that you have pasted it, you can close this, and you're going to need to restart the game. Once the game has restarted, you have to go into your icons, and you're going to notice that there's an extra slot in your icons. Well, good job, because now you have successfully imported your new icon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, bro. Like, this video took me a long time to make, so if this video gave you any value, if you could please subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Anyways, have a great day. I'm Lawrence, and bye bye.